Did you know that on average, a casual user might spend between $200 and $1,000 annually on AI-based services? Heavy users could spend even more depending on their needs. But today we're flipping the table. We're going to explore how to spend zero on AI generators and other essential AI utility apps.
Wow!
And stick around because one of the two I'm sharing in this video is so incredibly powerful that it feels almost criminal to be free. I'll put that clip in somewhere in this video so you'll have to keep an eye out to see which one it is. But don't worry, you'll definitely know when we get there. I know it's not by chance. So without further ado, let's dive into some of the best AI tools out there. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. When it comes to free AI image generator, Flux.1 by Black Forest Lab is definitely worth checking out. It is relatively new and offers 3 versions: Channel, Dev, and Pro. While the Pro version requires payment, the Dev version, which is completely free, is already impressively powerful. Don't freak out when you see this, your image will slowly appear. So what really sets Flux apart from others is that it can generate image with text, a feature you don't always find in free version, but Flux is really good at doing that. The Dev version is more than capable of non-commercial projects, so you can get creative without spending a dime. If you want to learn more about Flux, you can check out this video, link in description. Here's another great option. Just like Flux, Ideogram also offers free account but with a bit more limitation. It gives you 10 slow credits a day, and if you use their latest version 2.0, it will take 2 credits for a set of 4 images. That means you can only create 5 prompts a day. Is it worth it? Yes. The quality from Ideogram is just amazing. It is considered one of the best alongside Flux. Logging in using multiple Gmail accounts will also give you more slow credit. So just slow and chill with Ideogram. Next in line for free AI image generator is Leonardo AI. While it is not entirely free or unlimited, you get 150 tokens per day to create your images, which reset daily. A set of 4 images will cost you around 10 to 30 tokens, depending on the preset and the parameter you're using. The trick is you can use multiple accounts if you run out of tokens. Leonardo can improve your prompt and has preset and filters for you to customize your image. Their new preset feed is quite fantastic, so make sure to check that out. For consistent characters and other premium features, you will need to subscribe starting from $10 a month. I've already made 2 videos tutorial for Leonardo, so check them out in the description. Moving on, let's talk about Bing AI Image Creator, a reliable tool from Microsoft that offers great value in generating basic AI images for free. Just like other generators, their free account is gifted with 15 boosts each day. It costs 1 boost to generate a set of 4 images, and the boosts reset daily. You will need a Hotmail or Outlook account to access it, but you can create multiple accounts to get more boosts. Please take note that the Bing AI Image Creator is so basic that it won't be able to take on very long prompts as it has word count limitation. But it's really helpful if you want to teach your kids about AI image generation. I already made 2 tutorials using Bing. If you want to learn more about it, please do take a look. Next, we have this Chinese AI video generator called Minimax. It is so free that as of now you can generate as many videos as you want. Each generation takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can also improve your prompt using their Minimax Cinemotion prompter to get a better result. With Luma Dream Machine, Runway ML, and Clean 1.5 hardly can use on free version, Minimax offers almost the same quality for absolutely free with unlimited generation. How crazy is that? If you want to learn more about improving your prompt for Minimax, check them out in the description. Before we move on to the next AI, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate your support. Looking to bring your own photos back to life? The free AI photo restoration tool is perfect for restoration and colorizing images without breaking the bank. While it may not match the quality of paid services, it is a reliable option that delivers decent results. So the next time you want to refresh a faded memory, you will know just where to go. Don't forget to check out my full tutorial for more insights. Are you looking for a reliable background remover? Then you're in for a treat. While many free tools offer background removal, they often limit you with low resolution downloads. However, the background remover called BGBye from Variant stands out by allowing you to remove backgrounds and download images in their original size, all for free. It is a straightforward solution, perfect for those who are familiar with Photoshop. Before you consider paying for 11 Labs, take a moment to check out this fantastic free text-to-speech AI. By signing up for a free account, you can generate 2000 words in a single entry at no cost. Need to generate 10,000 words? Just repeat the process 5 times. It supports more than 140 languages. While the site does have some ads, the service is completely free. If you want more detail, I have made a video about this too, so be sure to check it out. Are you tired of dealing with low resolution videos? If you want to enhance your video quality without spending a dime, CapCut AI Video Upscaler is the perfect solution. It effortlessly upscales your low resolution video to high definition, providing you with sharper visual. The best part, you can use it directly in your browser with no downloads required, plus it is completely free. Just upload your video, apply the upscaler, and watch the magic unfold. Congratulations, you just found a hidden clip. So AI Face Swap is a free AI tool that allows you to swap faces in images for free. Just upload your content, select the face you want to swap, and let it do the rest. The image swap is free, but the video swap is only available on paid version. This image face swapping is so good and so dangerous that it should only be used for fun and not for anything illegal. So please use it with extra care. It could get you in big trouble because you can swap. Have you ever struggled with large video files? If so, you will love VideoSmaller, a fantastic tool that reduces video size without sacrificing quality. Simply upload your video, select the low compression level, choose your desired video width, and let the tool work its magic. It is a lifesaver when you need to send or store large files, and of course, the best part is completely free. While you're at it, you can also check out their other compression tools. Last but not least, if you're looking to remove vocal from a track, VocalRemover is the right tool for you. The name says it all. The tool is free, super easy to use, and can remove vocal from any song or audio files in just a few clicks. Just upload your file, let it do the job, and download the background music and vocals separately. Not only that, you can also split, trim, and join audio files, and even sing karaoke by recording with your own voice. I hope this provides you with a variety of useful websites at your disposal. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which AI tools you are interested in and what challenges you are facing with AI. Leave a comment and I will try to make a video about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.